Welcome, I'm Dr. Janine, Bowring naturopathic doctor, and today I'm talking about 4 ways to use turmeric as a medicine. So we know that turmeric is used in different countries in different ways, which is fabulous in terms of course, in India it's used in cooking, so traditional curry dishes. In Thailand it's used for beauty products, so in cosmetics. In China it's known as a colorant, so it's added to different foods and things to give that vibrant color, as well as in Korea, it is used in multiple drinks and yummy things, as well as in Malaysia, it's used as an antiseptic, so as a topical to help because we know that it has antibacterial properties. As well as in Pakistan, it's used as a natural anti-inflammatory, and in the US and in North America, here in Canada as well, it is used as a coloring agent and a preservative, so in things like mustard, cheese, butter even, and in chips, and of course in different supplements. So it is either the powdered extract or that standardized curcumin. So here are 4 ways that you can use turmeric as a medicine. So the first way is definitely in cooking. So using it in your foods, using it as a seasoning, so that curry powder definitely is something that you can incorporate. You can also use it in baking. So I actually have multiple recipes, but one of my favorites are ginger cookies that the kids absolutely love as well. They are super healthy. So I want you to check out that recipe. I have the entire video here on YouTube, and they are delicious. So they incorporate that standardized, so from capsules, turmeric plus that activated curcumin in a 95 percentile. They are so good, and you don't even know that they're healthy for you. So I want you to check that out for sure. Now, a second way to use turmeric as a medicine is in drinks. So whether you make a tea, so this is a delicious way to get your, very soothing for your digestive tract, to get your turmeric into your body, but also golden milk. And if you've not yet tried golden milk, this is so easy to do. All you do is you heat up some milk, any type of milk that you like to consume. You're going to add in, so what I do is I actually add in my supplements, so my capsules of the turmeric with the standardized curcumin. Mix that in with a little bit of honey and put a dash of cinnamon on top. It is delicious. I like to drink this closer to bedtime because it helps with digestion, and I love the fact that it also helps with making sure that you have a good night's sleep, and it is a natural anti-inflammatory, so it really is multifactorial and getting that beauty sleep. So those antioxidant benefits of the turmeric as I'm sleeping is also just a great bonus to have as well. Another way to use the turmeric is in smoothies. So I want you to check out my turmeric Feel Good in Gold smoothie. You will love this recipe. It is absolutely delicious. It's very refreshing. So where I go to the golden milk, more so in the winter time when it's cold here in Canada, I love my smoothie because it's cold in our hot summer months here in Canada. So make sure you check out that video. It's a game changer. It's so delicious. Now, the third way to use the turmeric as a medicine is, of course, in supplements. So what we want to do is we always want to increase the absorption of turmeric. So by taking it with a fatty meal, because the turmeric and the active curcumin is fat soluble, you want to have it with some healthy fats. Now, typically, most supplements on the market actually contain black pepper. And why is that? Well, we know that black pepper helps to increase the bioavailability or the absorption of the curcumin. However, black pepper doesn't always agree with everyone. So another thing to look for is quercetin. So quercetin also helps with increasing that absorption of the curcumin, and what it does is it helps to decrease something called glucuronidation, and that's what often will compromise the absorption of the curcumin. So you could look for that. We'll share some links below if you're looking for a good curcumin and turmeric supplement, and you're looking for something that has the 95 percentile of the curcuminoids, which is that active component of the curcumin. And also you don't want to take something that has a lot of fillers and flow agents. So I have other videos about, making sure when you're looking for supplements that you aren't ingesting certain ingredients, because it can compromise the absorption of, those nutrients that you're hoping to have that proper digestion of. Okay, and the fourth way to use turmeric, especially the curcumin, is to use it topically. So yes, as part of your beauty routine, this is a great way to use it, whether it's in face masks. You can also use it as an acne spot treatment. So make sure you check out my recipe, how to make this. So this is a great spot treatment that you can use for acne spots and acne scars. It is also fantastic for dark pigmentation on the skin. So this includes shea butter as well as some beeswax and a concentrated turmeric. So you can definitely check that out. Turmeric is also traditionally used in some cultures for brides, so a day or two before the wedding, helping to decrease the wedding jitters, and as well as using it as a paste. So what they'll do is they will mix the turmeric with some flour and apply that to the hands and the face, and this is a beauty routine to help to make the bride beautiful and glowing on her wedding day. So I hope that you've learned something new in this video. Please let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you have a question about something that I've said, I would love to hear from you. And be sure to share this video as well. I appreciate a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome in. I hope that you'll subscribe and you turn on that bell, clicking that bell for those notifications so you always get my newest and latest uploads. And remember to always take good care of your health and do it naturally. Thanks for watching.